How to fix the email you provided is not supported in ChatGPT. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve if the email that we provided is not available on ChatGPT, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, if the email address that you provided is not available and it shows like that on ChatGPT, the problem is that ChatGPT currently does not support all type of email except you're using Google, Apple Mail or Microsoft email, or at the very least Yahoo. If you don't have any of these addresses and you're using other addresses like AOL Mail or other sort of ymail.com and so on, then in that case you will not be able to sign up. So you need to make sure that you have an account that you have connected either with Google, Microsoft or Apple ID. These are the emails that they accept, with an exception of also yahoo.com. So if that is the email address, you'll be able to log in. If not, then you won't be able to log in or create an account. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.